How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is a little something different. I'm stuck at home with a toothache and a headache, so I didn't get to make work. So I was sitting around thinking, I've gotten feeling better toward the end of the day, so we're going to do a quick video. I get asked often what it's like to drive a Camaro or a modern muscle car, so let's discuss that. So you've made a decision to drive the American muscle car. Doesn't matter the make, the model, or whatever. But you're sitting at home or at work fixing to walk out to that car and go. Endless possibilities. In eager excitement, your hand desperately reaches for the key. With every step, your heartbeat pounds faster and faster with excitement, knowing that you are fixing to hit the open road. And as you get closer to your vehicle, you realize what a great decision you have made. Looking at those body lines, the color, it's all just right. So, as you prepare to do this, you get total excitement, exhilaration, just at the thought of what you're fixing to do. As you shut the door, you realize you have made that final step in what it's going to take to achieve your destination. You reach nervously to insert the key, and you stop and think for just a second. Sitting here, nestled in your cockpit, you look at the amenities with your heart beating. Oh man, I tell you what, somewhere, hiding behind some tree or some telephone pole or some post, there's PETA people waiting to take your pictures and get any information you can, because this subtle leather that's in these cars nowadays, there's got to be some animal's rights being violated somewhere, and they're waiting to catch you. You feverishly reach for the key and switch it on, and as you switch it on, it comes to life with all kinds of sights and sounds and lights. You've made that final decision to go ahead and turn that key the rest of the way. There's no turning back now. Listen to that excitement roar to life. One of the things I really enjoy about driving this car is the fact that no matter where I take it, you always get somebody giving you a thumbs up, nice looking ride, whatever. Just like this guy coming here. What's that?
I said, man, what a cool ride.
Thank you, I really appreciate that. But once you start out, you have so many roads that stretch across America. It's up to you. Your wallet, your gas tank, and your imagination is your only limitation. But in real life, this is more it. Well, the wife's not home. Let's go for a ride. Be back in a minute, Coop. All right. Man, yeah. This is the favorite thing to do. Let's get the key in there. Fire this bad boy up. What? Oh man!
Now we gotta go get gas.
And of course we got all this traffic that we have to sit through while looking at that. Well, of course didn't make it. Luckily I don't have far to go, huh? Enjoy the open road, huh? Yeah, okay. This is a little town out in the middle of nowhere, Union County, USA, North Carolina, and you cannot move without freaking running into somebody. Open roads, my butt! And look, it's only just now hitting 5 o'clock. Rush hour hadn't even started yet. And we're just leaving the grocery store, which I scored. I scored big. Bought me 2 cans of Lysol. They didn't have a limit. They should have, but they did not have a limit. And I am going to take, I only bought 2. I'm not one of those type of people. I left plenty for everybody else. So I'm going to go home and disinfect everything after I disinfect the car. After I get out, I'm going to spray it. The steering wheel, you know, all that good stuff. Yeah, open road. Fun, exhilarating, yes. Overrated sometimes, yes, me. Just kidding, I love my cars. Thank God for the USA. Yeah, that's more my speed there right now. It used to be like the original, the very first half of this. But now, living where I live, it's more like the second half. But I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. It was fun making, just something I was sitting around thinking about. And really want to try to make and show that these cars that we have today are modern works of art. They're all exhilarating, fun to drive, whether it's just a point A to point B car for you, or whether it's like a muscle car like I have. So until next time, get out there and enjoy those cars. That's what I did today, making this video for you. I hope you enjoyed it. And you know the old routine on YouTube: share, like, and subscribe. All of it's greatly appreciated. But if you decide not to, that's fine too. I still love you, and we'll see you in the next one. You guys get out there and take care.